hic. Oh no, not again.
You have hiccups.
But why do hiccups even happen?
Usually when your diaphragm get irritated.
My dear, what?
The muscle that helps you breathe.
So my breathing muscle is acting weird?
Exactly. It suddenly tightens.
And that makes the hic sound?
Yes, when your vocal cords quickly close.
Wow. My body is making sound effects.
Maybe stop eating so fast next time.
Fine. But these hiccups are still rude.
When hiccups happens, learn how your body creates the funny hic.